Habayekran bagi nong patai kubor i Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh iloong bagarel kalapoi hado ha Mendipathar. Bad kalong kabakong san bhai kino Kiba Pyrshah Rel ban pej bad ban let ban wat bniah lakadon kajing shisha ne kajing ma ban pendo ya gire ulum harilum garo. Namar kajing wan karel. Iloong bakin don Kiba Kershan bat Kiba Pyrshah Rel. Nrekat kum kajing tip jong Kementeri Sorkar ka railway station ha Mendipathar kelawan ra ek babha na kebenta karilum garo. Kani ganong aiktian jok sorkar kalong bakino Kiba Pyrshah Rel kini bandet Mendipathar bandet kemi bat penlong ya kajingwat bniah la kadon ne em kajingwan rong kertep ki break nabar la kaladon ne em kajing sya pendo pendam no ya kiri ulum ilong bawat la yem shim la pulia bniah andre itip bagi jing penmi ne kajing shna ki banarilum garo mentala penkit shkiwei pat gejaka ha kajing lut ke badunador pat hatu ke sorkar kan shim ki senjam ban peniar shosho Rel ke jela yem tip ikani andre rilum garo kalong ke bakloi kumta kathan ke bakloi ban yo pediang nengkong andre ya kathan ke Pyrshah ke sorkar kan omrai banele Pyrshah ya kamon upat ba.
Wherever we have an operating railway head, let us go there and find out. The impact assessment study means that. Go to that place, go to that railway head and find out the pros and cons, the negatives and the positives. Whether or not it is also possible to have. I know that technology has advanced greatly, but then if you notice, every other hill station only has one railway track, and that is usually a tourist or a tourism project. It's very rarely, a lifeline for that hill station. Look at Shimla, look at Darjeeling. They continue to only be tourism projects. Let us see whether this works. But then Mendi is doing very well, I'm told. It's just that I have not engaged actively, but from hearsay, a lot of our products are going across at a much cheaper rate. Technology and other exchange activities are also now coming into Garo Hills much quickly. So let us see. I'm not aware. But we have seen the railways operate up to Mendipathar. And it's important for whoever is objecting to the railways to figure out, are we doing the right thing? It's not for me to decide alone. If left to me alone, it would have been a different thing. But now, look at how Garo Hills is benefiting from the Mendi railway station. We need to be real. We need to really go and study. Is there really a threat to the dilution of our communities in Garo Hills because of the railway? We have to have set missions. We need to focus ourselves. You can't just blindly say, no, this is something you should not do or you should do. But if you ask me to comment, I will not comment any further. Because you have, as always, a divergent view of the public. There will be those that are for railways, there will be those that are against railway. So we need to figure out what exactly we want as a community without a bias. Because the moment you begin to have a bias, then the problem comes. But I think whoever's opposing to railways should at least go to Mendi and find out and do a case study, find out whether or not this influx has happened, whether or not there is a dilution of tribal communities there. I haven't embarked on any study as such, but I know that a lot of their produce and products are now being transported far more efficiently and at a lesser cost.
Ha kabayday bat ka jingdawa ka kanhuan achek ban penlong ya kanong ba atura kom ka winter capital jong ka jela. I Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh iloong bakum kani ka jingdawa kamlong ka babha ban ai bat ka nong ba jong ka jela ka day betang hasilong bat omday ban penslur na ailat akum kani ka jingdawa. Namar bandon kata kanong ba man lagi jaka haman lagi samoy kamlong ka babha bat kan bakla ka rukom sensyar kadar. Lieto bau menteri rang ba ke jelau konrad kongkal sangma unsi kendo pada keren ni ginong elam jong ka acek ha ka arp sauterik menta ubnai.
The state of Meghalaya has a very divergent combination of districts. So now everybody, in my opinion, everybody is going to be rising and saying, bring the winter capital here, bring the spring capital there, bring the summer capital there, then it's all going to go wrong. The very fact that so many blocks have recently been installed and put in position. What is the idea behind the installation of all of these blocks? Basic idea is to bring administration closer to the public. It would be not correct to consider any kind of a capital anywhere else. We are in Shillong, it is the capital, and we hope that these demands should not be entertained. That is my personal view, because we will be in trouble if every district now starts saying, bring this to my district, bring that to my district. It will be difficult for us to administrate. Very fact that MLAs now are going all the way to, I mean, ministers are now going all the way to various parts of the district with that one intention. We can come to your district, review your matters, take care of matters, and be there to make sure that you do not feel left out in governance. But we can't have summer capital there, winter capital there, spring capital there, autumn capital here. It's not possible.